Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shanali. I'm the owner of Lux Bead Jewelry. In this video, I will be making a butterfly inspired bracelet that will be the colors of a butterfly. I hope you like this. So at this time, I'm taking the time to just see what it's going to look like on my board right here. And guys, if you don't already subscribe, please go ahead and subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos. And also like this video as it helps others that is interested to see my video. Okay, so I'm just taking my time here, putting all the colors together. I just want to color coordinate them the best way that I can. I'm seeing what works here and what is going to look pretty because I love color coordination. Hopefully you love this design because it will be on my website. And remember that I'm launching my website in March. That's March 4th. Okay guys, so I'm going to stop talking right now. I'm going to just let you watch this tutorial that I put together for you. after all the struggles, I finally got it done, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Happy beading.